Best scooter for 5-year-old, reviews, prices, guides. With summer lurking at the corner again, every parent wants their kid to have fun under the sun and enjoy the weather's breeze. Buyer's guide. Types of scooters. They are generally made of better, sturdy material and have been built for stunting or tricks. Scooter parts and their features. In most scooters, a T-shaped handlebar is used for steering and controlling the scooter. Picking the best scooter for your child. For example, you may want to choose a scooter that folds to make it easier to store and transport if you carry your child's scooters in the car or on a ride. Our top picks. So, without further ado, let's start our list. 1. New Neon Flash Kids Scooter. 2. Jetson Jupiter Folding Kick Scooter. 3. Micro Kickboard Micro Mini Scooter. With its low deck and healthy steering, the Micro Kickboard Mini is one of the best scooters for 5 years old and younger. Although the handlebar seems a little bit big for a young child, this is no mistake. The wheels are also of high quality and have a flexible fiberglass deck, which allows a smooth and quiet ride on the sidewalk. The Micro Kickboard Mini Scooter comes in various exciting colors so that your range is not restricted. It is incredibly compact and easy to move and carry. 4. Razor E100 Glow Electric Scooter. With a top speed of 10 miles per hour, this scooter is perfect for kids who want to ride the breeze. 5. Mongoose Expo Scooter. It's not pre-assembled, but it has proper instructions to assemble it. Conclusion. The best scooter for girls and boys is the one they feel comfortable spending their time in. Your kid's scooter should be perfect.